I'm Laura, I'm still French. I'm gonna watch The 100 season 6 episode 4. I only have 1 hour to film this reaction video because you don't see it, but I'm surrounded by boxes because I'm moving in my new apartment and it begins today. Short story about that. I have 3 days to make my moving in, I think we can say that in English, and I'm gonna do like 1,200 kilometers in only 2 days, so really I have to rush this reaction video. I'm sorry for that in advance, and maybe also I'm gonna be late to post this reaction video because I'm not sure that I'm gonna have the internet on my new apartment the first day, so I'm sorry for that, but really I'm happy to move in a new apartment. Really, it's gonna be so great. So I'm gonna rush this reaction video, but you know me, when I say that, usually I'm speaking too much. I was really enjoying the last episode because, you know, I said it during the trailer, I needed this season to bring me from anxiety to excitement again. The episode 1 was really a failure for that. The episode 2 was really great for that, and the episode 3 was right on the same level. So please keep it that way, and I will be fully back on the 100. About each character, Bellamy had to stop this thing with Octavia, leaving her behind the ship. It's just a nonsense for me because of his character. The main goal of his character from season 1 to season 4 was to protect his sister. Okay, we had a time jump. Okay, it changed, but can he really change that? Can he really change the fact that she's his sister and is leaving her behind? Like on season 5, he said that he didn't want to leave anyone behind, and he just did it. It's mind-blowing for me to see that, and it's also really a nonsense. Scenaristically speaking, it's a nonsense. Really, they are doing things with this character, with his character, not in a good way. Everything that Bellamy does doesn't make a sense for me, for his character. I don't understand. I can't connect with his character. I want to reconnect with him. I want to love him again. He was one of my favorite characters of this show. He is one of the main characters of this show. He is the leader of this show with Clark. How can you write him so bad? It's really annoying. Clark had to find her place in the group again, in the Sky Crew group, and they have to accept that. Stop being angry with her. Really? Ooh, she saved you all. You just sank her on the season 5 one time and it was quick, so shut the fuck up and stop being mad with her. I said it, I have to rush this reaction video, so I'm not gonna be diplomat today. Raven, I love Raven and her character, and I don't like what they are trying to do with her character. I'm not gonna dislike her character just like that. Even if she's angry with Clark, I'm not gonna dislike her just because of that. And stop writing bad things for her, really. She lost all of her men, she lost everything. Give her a good thing, please. I'm tired. With this way of writing some characters of this show, you are good to make new storylines, new stories, new world. You are really good for that, really. This season is really good for that. Season 5 was just repeating everything that we already saw, so really it was annoying during fucking season 5. During this one, where you are really making a great and good job for writing this new world, those new storylines about the Red Sun, about the Primes, about the Children of Gabriel, all of that, it's really great. Please make the same effort for the characters. See, I said that I'm gonna speak a little and I'm speaking too much. Okay, let's go! I'm sorry, but this is also the morning, and usually I'm not filming the morning because I have my little eyes and I'm not really in the mood in the morning. I don't know if you can see it, but I have to rush this reaction video. That's the morning. I'm gonna make 1,200 kilometers in only 2 days, so I'm not gonna be diplomat today. That's a big warning for you. I want to know the story behind the Primes and the Children of Gabriel. I think that we're gonna have more flashbacks and I want to see that. And I'm not sure that the Primes are the good and the Children of Gabriel are the bad. I think that's more complicated. We can see that already coming. That's the main story about the 100. The good guys, the bad guys. There are no good guys, there are no bad guys.
Rebels return the child, Rose, and the 3 heads of our fallen Primes, and Russell Prime, Howard Lindsay, will let your child be raised insane.
My child. None.
That's the offer.
You're gonna help them? They just banished you without listening a word of you?
Not exactly.
One condition. Make it like.
I love her. She's really the badass woman that we all need this season to just stop with the drama for some moments. What is naming day? I'm not sure that's a good thing because really Delilah was like, this is gonna be my last kiss. I'm not sure I have more time. Are they sacrificing people or something like that? Priya can wait. Like, this is a god?
If we cancel, Gabriel wins. We don't even know if he's alive. His cause clearly is.
For me, it really sounds like sacrificing people for a god.
Just to be safe.
My parents would have loved it here.
Hey. It's my naming day.
Oh, you're so sweet.
All time. And it's just us. And the faces behind glass. Except the one letting me go. This. I wasn't gone. I became the face behind the glass.
We should take happiness. And we can.
That's nice and that's sexy, but see, when we can, I'm voting for a sacrificing thing. Wear a dress so Bellamy can see you with a dress. Oh, that's kind. Someone finally thanking Clark for Yeah?
Yeah. I think you'll like her.
If it's prayer the first, how can they give her to prayer?
After tonight, it'll be like it never happened at all. But good.
Thank you.
What is gonna happen during naming day?
For you.
I told you I'm fine.
Unless you want people to worship.
Yeah, that would suck.
No flirting between
I'll see
you.
you later.
Okay, they are flirting. I ship Bellark, you know it.
It's cute. Stop.
I want her to be happy, so if she is happy with him, I'm okay with that. But Bellamy has to see that.
Does that mean I can go to school? No, Maddie.
Why?
Hey, we've talked about this. You chose to be connected. No one's gonna find out on their butt. Quiet. Guys waiting for you to show.
Ah, yes, I forgot.
She told me about Shade Hedda.
Well,
Ah, Antoine! Sorry. Okay, that's a sect. That's a cult.
We mark the return of beloved Priya. I will begin the process of making amends.
it was a decision with tragic consequences.
They're gonna all do that in front of everyone. This is gonna be awkward.
It was just everything.
Joséphine?
That I would cause this pain for me.
What about Joséphine? He can't know her. That was years ago.
Now it's your turn.
I don't know.
Yes.
That's it. They're gonna argue. Great.
Listen to me, please. His last words.
Why
That you deserve.
does she have to apologize for show?
Shaw was tortured. Because of you. Every time that you do something horrible, you say you're sorry.
Every time that she does something horrible,
You're an impossible choice. Bellamy, the guy that you left to die in a fighting pit, left his own sister to die in the woods because she was a threat to everything and everyone she comes into contact with.
don't talk to me about that. Him leaving her behind after all of those seasons protecting her, it's a nonsense for his character. Even if he's angry with her, stop that.
Clark, please. Can I say you don't monsters?
No, you're not. But I like that. Octavia protecting a little girl. That can save her.
Apparently the lanterns float. Taking your son from point.
Oh, never that easy.
Maybe it is. I wrote down leaving him boneless.
Mark, stop. It's not to this.
Please, let's do this.
Leaving him like that. I'm so sorry.
I know what it's like to risk everything for one person. I know Maddie's your family.
You were my family too. I lost sight of that. And I promise I will never forget it again. You're so important to me.
Yes, Bellark. We need it. All of you, all of me, all of us, all of you.
Too many things. A lantern mood song.
Octavia.
No more nights today.
They are really close. Like, personal space. They don't know personal space with each other. Bellark. I can't concentrate now. That's gonna help me during my moving in a new apartment with my 1,200 kilometers to do. I'm gonna think about that and I'm gonna be like,